thought this was gonna happen. You know what I'm saying?
But like, at the end of the day, you just know you're really helping the economy, and that's why Trump didn't win for real. Cause I don't think he really part of the work. He just a millionaire. Cause like, his pops gave him a loan of $1 million. My pop just gave me $1 the other day. You know what I'm saying? And I took that $1 that he gave me, and I invested it.
What?
Oh, I bought a juice. I invested into my future so I wouldn't die, die of thirst.
There, you got it.
Mom, I do this.
This your first time.
What that mean? I still do this. Okay, let's call a real mechanic. I'm tired. That's high enough.
Yeah, the tire off. As long as the tire off the ground.